Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go home.
What is this now? Why did you pour water on us? Why did you do it?
You're asking me questions. Mama, let's go home.
Osegene, let's go home. Say, don't try this thing again. You see the thing you just did today. What's the meaning of this now?
You're warning me.
Yes, I'm warning you.
You're warning me. Mama,
let's go.
Let's go home.
Please, you need to go home and change it. Go and change your clothes so I can go inside and change mine.
Mama,
let's go. Leave me alone, though.
Let's go.
We'll fight here.
Mama, let's go.
Your daughter is here again. The giver of life, the protector of our land, the giver of procreation, the giver of the fruit of the womb, the blesser of the works of our hands. I have come again to thank you for all you have been doing in our family. I have come to thank you for all you have been doing in our community. Ndị bayi sineto dike na nke o mere omekwu ọzọ. A sị na-ekene onye gwara akịdị na nke ọ gwọrọ ọgwụ ọzọ. As we appreciate the ones you did for us, we also pray that you will continue to bless every works of our land. Bless every expecting mother with the fruit of the womb. Bless our going out and our coming in. Lekwa na ọjị unu taa n'ogbe ka anyị taa n'obere obere. Ise. Akwa mmanya ọcha ka m ji n'aka. Mmanya ụtọ. Lekwa na mmanya ṅụọ. Ada na ya
Ekele munu kele ihe na-emere unu ihe. A sị na ọ na-eme Joseph ka sere ude na tọtụ ngịga. Ọ gịnị na-eme? Eje anọ bụ ije. Ejego m bata. Tukwarụ n'ugo n'ihu unu mere dị mma. Ekele m unu. Ejere m n'udo, anọrọ m n'udo. Ekelekwa m unu. Hey! Ọ gịnị ka a na-akọ ife a?
I was not doing anything.
Don't make me repeat myself again. Talk to me now.
Mama, I was just at the back here.
Doing what?
Mama, I was just whiling away my time. I was not doing anything.
Mama, what is this man's scent? I am perceiving everywhere. Very much strong around you.
Man, what? Mama, man from where?
Hey!
There's no man anywhere. Oh, I don't know where you are perceiving.
Mama, you're bold enough to lie to the date that gave you suck.
Mama, I don't know where you are.
Hey!
There's no man anywhere.
Oh, give me kind of I am Acharugo, the chosen one, the daughter of Nwamili, the granddaughter of Omife, the great-granddaughter of Mirindo. Deity runs in our blood. I am the daughter of the river. It runs in our lineage. I am not a mere mortal. I am a goddess among mortals. Why do you talk to me as though you talk to a mere mortal, my daughter? Why? Hey! Ogini! I need to mother see more. Can you even remember? Mere mortal. Hey! Ogini neme! What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Answer me. What are you doing here?
Ezenwai.
Speak!
I came to see if the tree is tall enough for climbing.
Which tree?
This one.
How? This is not the first time you're coming to this compound. I know exactly what is bringing you to my compound. You came to defile the chosen one of the Ezenwai dynasty. Mama is the next Ezenwai of this community, and as such has no business with any man until her time is due for the initiation into the water confraternity. As you can see, you are a distraction. I'm only speaking to you in this manner because this is the first time. The next time I catch you, you might end up without your manhood in its right position.
What?
Leave my compound now! Leave now! Hey, stop there!
I'm sorry, Mama.
Mama! You have the effrontery to lie to me.
I'm sorry, Mama. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
You have chosen your punishment. Don't get up until I say so.
Mama. Mama, please, I'm sorry. Mama, please. Mama!
Nothing.
What offense did he commit?
I just said nothing.
Why do you like telling lies with everything? Eh? You lie with reckless abandon. Why?
Sister, what is it now? I just said I did not do anything. Mama, you know Mama that just came back and then she came back from the river and asked me to kneel down.
And you expect me to believe that? Eh?
If you like, believe. If you like, don't believe.
She caught you with her rings, right? Hi. Mama, I've warned you several times to stay away from that boy. That boy is going to ruin your life. Mark my words.
Nobody's ruining anything. Nobody's ruining anything for me. What is it? Am I a child? I'm a full-grown woman, so I will decide how I want to live my life. Yes. Yes.
Okay. It's fine.
That's that you people will just be disturbing somebody. Is it me that say a man should not look at you? I'm a full-grown woman. I will decide how to live my life. Nobody will decide it for me. Me, I want to stand up. My leg is paining me. Oh, now quarry mad, Bob. Now quarry mad. Now quarry mad. My leg is paining me.
Suppose you just like DPO, all those police officers. All this.
Sister, I was coming from the message that you sent me, so I saw him, and sister, wait now.
So I'm trying to understand. Why is she treating her like a child? This is so unfair.
Ọkwa chi ojiji ejikwenu m ibu n'aka o. Asị m ka anyị maa ibu n'abalị a, ka anyị rọrọ n'udo, ka anyị tete n'udo. Ihe anyị ga-eri bịakwute anyị, nke ga-eri anyị abịakwana. Ọ ya ka m na-ekwu. Ise.
Mother, I do not know what she sees in that boy. I don't know why she has refused to listen to anyone. Please, Mother, free her. She's in great pains.
No. She must be made to understand that the destiny of this community lies in her hand. She must be made to understand that her destiny is superior to her emotions and never be carried away by her emotions.
Mother, I'm sure she must have learnt her lessons, at least for today.
She has not. She has to remain there till morning.
Please, Mother, don't do this to my sister. She's your daughter too. There is this saying that says, when you beat a child with the left hand, you console her with your right hand. Please, Mother, do not destroy what you are meant to heal. Please. Nemoma, bikono. Nemoma, bikono. Please, Mother.
Get up. I've heard you.
Thank you, Mother.
Go and call her for me.
Okay, Mama. Get up. Mother calls you.
Sister, leave me, oh. Leave me, I'm not going anywhere. I will not answer anybody. Since my mama wants me to die in this punishment, I will stay here. I will stay here. I'm not going anywhere. Mama left me here since morning. Since morning, Okubam now. Since this time, is it good? I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here. You see this punishment, I will do it.
I understand how you feel. I'm sorry, but she said I should call you. You just go and answer.
Go and tell Mama, I will not answer her. I will not answer Mama. I will stay here. This Mama wants me to die in this punishment. If they make it a punishment, I will do it. I'm not going anywhere, sister. Leave me alone, oh. Leave me.
Listen, you have to get up. Okay?
Leave me alone. What kind of a mother will give? What kind of a mother is she? You give birth to your own child. You tell your child to stay under the sun till this time. Now, Bania, if snake bites me, uncle. Sister, see me. I've set my pillow. This way, me, I want to stay. I'm sleeping here. I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God.
Just let it go. Okay, I'm sorry.
What Mama did, is it good? Or Dimma, is it good?
I understand now. Okay. You just go and answer her.
No, what she did is not good though. Odiroma, it's not good.
It's okay. She's here.
I know the thoughts going on in your mind. I understand your feelings. Yes, I am your mother. Yes, I gave birth to you. I know the questions going on in your mind. I love you so much. That is why I am punishing you the way I am doing. You are but a little child. Forget about those things, those oranges on your chest. You are still my baby. I love you. It is down on me to guide you in the right path you should go. To guide you in the way you should go. Mama, you are not an ordinary being. You don't share the same destiny with your elder sister. Yes, the same womb, but different chi created. You don't need that boy or any other man in your life. Anyone that is coming between you and your destiny is considered an enemy to your future and must be treated as one. One man.
I wasn't expecting to see you here.
I didn't come here on invitation. I came here for something serious.
And what's that?
It's about my sister, Mama.
What about your sister?
I came here to warn you to stay away from her. I came here to warn you to stay away from my sister. She suffered greatly in the hands of my mother last night because of you. I had to intervene. If not for my intervention, she would have slept outside last night on her knees. Please, I don't like to see my sister suffer. I don't like to see her go through such pains. There are lots and lots of beautiful girls in this village. So many of them. Just stay away from my sister.
So you came all the way to ask me to stay away from your sister. You're also asking me to go to other women. But your sister is my choice.
Listen, you have to stay away from my sister because of her destiny.
What destiny are you talking about?
She's the next Ezewanyi of this village. The custodian to the water spirit that will take over from my mother when she dies.
Why must it be your sister? I thought you were the first daughter. That's your responsibility, not hers.
You don't tell the gods how to run their affairs. Listen, I've given you the reason you should stay away from my sister. I'm not here to banter words with you. And if you don't do that, you will have me to contend with.
My love, I'm so sorry for the way my mother and my sister are treating you because of me. And I'm so sorry for the countless lies you told because of me. My love, please, I don't want you to use it against me or against our relationship. I want you to know that I love you so much. And I do not want to lose you for any reason. My life will be so incomplete without you.
I'm not worried about your mother and your sister. The more they fight me, the more I fall in love with you. And about the lies, it's okay. I can lie on your behalf. That's the part of you I love the most.
Where are you going to? Where are you going?
Mama, I'm going to see Ndidi, my friend.
Mama, your movement out of this house is being restricted. Don't worry, I will send message across to Ndidi to always come and stay with you in this house. From today, you cannot leave this compound without my consent.
Mama, why are you doing this to me?
Because I love you so much, Mama. You are a great child that needs to be taken good care of.
Mama, you just said destiny. What kind of destiny will make someone a prisoner in her own house?
Oh. Mama, the destiny you carry is such a great destiny that needs to be carefully handled.
Mama, please, I beg you. I beg you, Mama, please do not restrict me from going out with my peers. Biko.
You are not in the same class of being with them. The destiny you carry is so great. The responsibility ahead of you is not what you can compromise. Get inside.
Oh, Mama, can you just stop this?
Get inside, Mama. Get inside the house. Don't allow me to repeat myself. Now! Get inside!
Hey! Nemo, I have never seen my mother like this before. Now I had the Guamino. I never knew my mother could be so mean. This woman was so intentional about leaving me outside yesterday. Kneeling down, she wants me to sleep outside kneeling down yesterday. Yesterday was so dramatic.
You don't mean it. No. Are you being serious right now?
Awesome, you don't mean it. Go and ask my sister now. Joanna, that she will tell you. If not that my sister begged Mama on my behalf. My sister intervened yesterday. She was begging Mama. If not that my sister begged her, I can make her own ezinya.
So what is her problem? Why don't she want you to mingle with Arinze?
My mother's reason was that she said I inherited her powers from birth. That was what she said. And that I'm going to be the next Ezewai of this community after she's no more. This was what my mother said to me. And as such, I should not be seen with any man or be in any kind of relationship whatsoever. That I will not even have a carnal knowledge of any man till the right time.
So when is the right time?
How do I know? Do I even... See, you know what? All of this does not even matter to me. All these things is none of my business. I'm not even interested in that story. I don't even believe that story. The thing that is important to me is that I am in love with Arinze. Arinze is the only man that matters to me right now. So that man also saying what the see.
I can understand how you feel, But what do you intend doing now?
I don't even know. I know that he will be at our usual spot waiting for me. He will be there, What gonna
Exactly now. What are you going to do now? Mama is in the house. And I know you're not thinking of sneaking out of the house after what happened yesterday between you and Mama. So what are you going to do now?
Ndidi, thank God you're even here. You know you're my friend. And friends will always help each other.
Yes.
See what I want you to do, I want you to tell Mama that there is something you want me to help you do in your house so that she will allow me go with you. This is her bathroom.
You're right though. But my friend, this one is really difficult though. You know she's your mother. You can talk to her freely. But me now, I cannot lie to her. No, now, never.
Didi, calm down. This thing is not hard. You're stressing it. You're making it look like it is hard. See, there's no way she will know that you're lying. The only thing is that we need to package this lie in a way that with so much confidence, she will not even know anything. Don't worry, you can do it.
Look at the energy. See, armpit. There is no hair. You want to involve me with things of the spirit? No now.
Didi. Did I thought you were friends?
We are still friends.
They said a friend in need is a friend indeed. A
good one. You want me to lie? You want to involve me with lies? Then you did not look for any other thing to involve me with lies. It's things of the spirit. No now. You are a very wicked person. Yes,
you've changed though. You've changed though.
You are a bad person.
Honestly, I'm not in a good mood. Eh? I'm sure Arinze will still be there waiting for me. He must have been tired of waiting.
But it's not your fault now. What would you have done?
That's not it, it's not your fault now. What should you have done? They feature no give us so. Clear your mouth. It is your fault. Don't give cause, yeah? Yeah, if you had done what I asked you to do now, we'll not be having this conversation. I had a plan. I only needed you to help me execute this plan.
Biko. Mama, just stop this thing. Stop it. I don't understand. You want me to go and lie to the river goddess so that she will smite me with blindness? Hey! Please, don't involve me.
Okay, I'm a queen, a fellow marker. Indeed, I'm talking now. You are shining your eye. You're raising your voice at me. Oh. Small help that I. It's because you are not in love. If you're in love, you will not do this thing.
Calm down. Yeah,
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
He's here. Oh, I didn't say.
Why are you making me scared now?
I'm not making you scared. Can't you hear?
So what are you going to do now?
I'm sure he has waited. He has waited for me. He did not see me and he decided to come here. He said, I need to go and see him. Eh? He must be somewhere outside our compound waiting for me.
You have to be very careful.
Come. Let's go.
I didn't tell you I'm about to go.
Ibuonyala Ndidi. It's not me you came to look for.
No.
So I asked you to help me execute plan. You cannot. The only way I'll go and see my man, you're telling me.
Let me just wait here now.
Go.
Excuse me.
You help me out.
Sorry.
Yes. Where to?
Mama. Mama, Ndidi's, she's leaving.
Yes, ma.
So I just want to see her off.
Don't go beyond our junction.
Yes, ma. No problem, Mama.
I will be standing here until you return.
Alright, Mama, let me see her off. Bring down your voice. I'm so sorry.
You scared me.
Sorry about that. I needed to do that. See the way you're just looking for it. My love, see, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I could not come. My mother did not go out today, and I'm sure she's at home because of me.
I know your mother didn't go out. That's why you didn't come. But I've been waiting for you all day. My day will be incomplete without seeing your face.
My love. Okay, so now you have seen me, yeah? So you need to start going. Eh? My mother is standing right there. She's there, she's waiting for me.
She's not coming now.
No, you have to go. She might just come here.
You.
My love, I miss you too. See, if I waste one more time, my mother will come here.
I love you.
I love you too. You need to start going. Please.
Okay.
Let's go. You need to start going.
It's okay. Go.
Are you sure?
Go.
Please go.
Go.
You need to start going.
Mama, I'm coming!
Who are you talking to?
Talking to? Mama, I just told you I wanted to sing Didi off.
I heard a male voice. And I perceive the scent of a man around you.
Oh, Mama. Mama, you could go to perceiving and they perceive. All the time time you're perceiving, I don't know what you're perceiving. Mama, stop this thing, it does not fit you. All the time you're perceiving something, I don't know what you're perceiving. If there is any scent you're perceiving, it should be the scent of Ndidi. Ndidi is the one that just left here. And the last time I checked, Ndidi is not a man, Mama. I like Romia. All the time you're perceiving, Mama, chali go to kangafe, but mommy in perceiving here. Before you perceive, before you.
I came here, I greeted her. She didn't respond. Then I touched her, but she's not moving. Mama? But Mama does not sleep with her full regalia on. Eh? She doesn't even sleep holding her staff. I have never seen Mama sleep on her back and then face up. Why is she like this? Why is Mama like this, Mama? Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Mama knew she was going to die. Mama knew she was going to die. Hey! Hey! Mama! Mama, please don't do this. Mama, please just wake up. Mama, who do you want to leave us for? Please wake up! Hey! Mama! Mama! Mama is... Mama is dead. Mama is... Please, I beg you, just wake up! Mama! So what do we do now? Mama doesn't go to the hospital. She does not go to church. Mama has no husband, no brother. We have no uncle. We have no relative, no one. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Mama has served this community all her life. And now that she is dead, we will run back to that same community. In fact, the Igwe is the person we have to run to right now.
Mama, you have a point. Yes. But both of us cannot go to the palace. I think you should stay, Mama, while I go to the palace. Hmm?
There's no problem. Sister. So right now, we don't have anybody to call family. So you want to tell me that we are orphans? Why is life so cruel? Why is life so cruel? Sister, why is life so cruel? It's okay. It's okay.
We've cried enough and we can't cry forever. Let me just hurry to the palace, okay? I'll be right back. Hmm?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Adama, the daughter of Acharugo, the Ezewine of this community, is here to see you.
Let her in.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The daughter of the most faithful damsel of this community. It is well with you. What brought you to the palace of your forefathers?
Your Majesty, I woke up this morning and found my mother, Acharugo, he is the one of this village, dead. She was already lying in state in her room.
What did you just say?
Igwe, your Ezewine is dead. She died in her sleep last night.
Hey! Chiburififeju. The great Iroko has fallen. What becomes of the birth that perch on each stem for strength? What becomes of the animals that hides under its leaves for succor? Indeed, Umodianya has lost her eyes. Let it not be heard anywhere in Umodianya. Go home, comfort yourself with your sister as we plan a befitting burial for her. Tell one of the guards to see me.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Who are those people? And who told him about Mama's death?
What are you talking about? Who are which people?
You mean you're not aware that some priestesses are outside?
Who left this room since you went out?
Come and see. sister? Hmm? Who are those people? You're asking me? How am I supposed to know? But from the way they look, from their outfits, they look like priestesses from various river goddess. That is what they represent. So how did you know that Mama is dead? Who told them? How will you say a thing like that? Have you forgotten that the things that they do is the things of the spirits? Probably they're in a group or I don't know, they're in a group or something. You mean like a confraternity? Something like that. Hey. So, what do we do now? Thank you.
The eyes of Umodaya into the spirit world is gone. What a waste. What a great waste. I mean, no one would have thought that Achalugo would go at this time of her peak. Nevertheless, we cannot question the decision of the Creator. The question is how
First of all, we are all aware that our late Izawan had 2 daughters. We must bring in the Alpha priest to tell us who is the chosen one among the 2 to serve the river goddess. Moreover, Izawan will not be buried until her successor is made public.
The first daughter, of course, should be her successor.
Ibe.
Yeah.
If you don't understand the tradition, ask question for direction. Else you embarrass yourself before little children.
Or have you forgotten a previous Izawan who died and her first daughter was made to take over from her? What happened? Calamity befell the kingdom. And the Alpha priest had to be invited to tell us what was wrong. At the end of the day, what did he say to us? That the wrong person was made to serve the river goddess. Igwe, we have to summon the Alpha priest to come and tell us who among the 2 daughters should take over from her.
Thank you for the reference.
Thank you, Joe.
But let me still proceed. After the next Izawan is known, 4 able-bodied young men who must have not had carnal knowledge of any woman 4 market days before her actual burial date will carry her body to the riverside where she will be buried.
Well, in absence of this, we will consult the Alpha priest immediately. None.
Lanudo eze nwanyị, lanudo nnọmanyị. 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 Lanudo eze nwanyị.
Mberede nyiri dike. Mberede nyiri dike, mana ọkwanụ mberede ka eji ama dike na mberede nyiri dike. Mberede nyiri dike. Mberede nyiri dike. Mberede nyiri dike, mana ọkwa mberede ka eji ama dike na mberede nyiri dike. Ekene 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 afọ kene nkwọ na mberede nyiri dike, mana mberede ka eji ama dike na sị na agụghị ụzọ agụghị ọnụ na obodo tere aka nwere ndị ọ dị nso. Okirikiri ka na-agbụkwa ose na-aghari elu. Agbarụsịa ngene ekuru ngene nwụọ na ahịa kara aka anaghị eri ngwụrọ. Nkirikiri ka na-ekiri ododo na-ejighị ododo n'ozi maka na ụjọ atụ afọ ji wee buru ụzọ. N'isi ike nga ebunu jika nke wụ dịka ife dịda ji wee kala ofeke maka na ike nga awụrụ ada ajụ oyi. Akwa ọkụkụ tiwa ka ifere abụrụ nke nkume. Your Majesty, Wamma, her second daughter, she was born to take over from her.
Oh,
you see?
Ibe, doubting Thomas.
Your Majesty, bring her to the palace and let her know her spiritual responsibility to this great kingdom. Maka na ọ bụrụ na di eji chụọ aja nwụrụ Emmanuel ga-epu ome maka na enye enwe ite ọgbọnyụ ọkụ. The gods have spoken.
My daughters, I believe you are all adults. I still want to sympathize with both of you for what happened. But then I want you to know that you are not supposed to be tough about death. Death is a necessary end. It will come when it will come. I urge both of you to comfort and comport yourselves so as to carry out the legacy your mother left behind. I believe you at the end is one man.
Yes, Your Highness.
Very well then. The revelation coming from the Alpha priest is that you has been chosen to be the next Ezenwai of this kingdom. You are expected to carry out your duty diligently, like your mother did.
Your Majesty, my mother always told her that.
Oh, you see? It's a further confirmation from the revelation coming from the Alpha priest. The routines and rituals of the service of the goddess is inherent. And nobody's to be taught about it. I believe you probably must have watched your mother, do the routines and rituals, perhaps the cleansing ritual or atonement ritual. That's how you expect to function. You must function in the capacity of your late mother. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear.
Young lady, the king is talking to you!
I've always told my mother when she was alive that I'm not interested in her Ezenwai stuff. I just want to live my life like a normal girl. Your Majesty, please, forgive her stupidity. We heard everything you said. We'll do it.
Very well then. You may go. The guards will give you some stipends already made for both of you. Go home in peace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty.
I believe she's right inside. She will understand. She's just...
What do you mean of that? Mama, what is wrong with you? Eh? Why would you make a fool of yourself and our late mother? Mama has been telling you all these years that you are not an ordinary child. That you have a great destiny to take over from her as the one of this village. Why act as though you know nothing about it? Eh? Sister, please, I'm not acting anything. What am I acting? I only went there to tell them the same thing I've been telling Mama when she was alive. I don't want to be any Ezenwai. I don't want to, or by force. Oh, by force. It is by force. Yes. Is that what you're saying? Yes, that's what it is. No problem. You come and carry me. You see, if we shall go to theater.
That young girl I saw a moment ago doesn't seem to me like someone who is interested in accepting this Ezenwai title.
Well, it is what it is. It is her destiny, and she can never run away from it. Whether she likes it or not, she must accept it.
And what if she vehemently refuses to accept your decision? Are you going to force her? Doesn't she have a right to her own choice as a freeborn of this village?
Ibe, if not for your father's membership of this our great forum, you have no business with us in this our Igwe cabinet whatsoever. You know nothing about our culture.
And what is that supposed to mean? I take this as an insult and you must apologize to me right now.
Ibe, it hasn't gotten to that point yet now. How can the two of you be quarreling?
It has gotten to it. Were you not here when he insulted me? And you must apologize to me. Under the globally accepted fundamental human rights, everyone has a right. And let me tell you, that young girl said she's not interested in taking this title of Ezewanshi. Are you going to force her? And let me ask you, what wrong did I do? What did I say wrong? And why will you insult me like that? What wrong did I do?
It's okay. It's okay, Mazibe. Mazono. Apologize to Mazibe. He has his own opinion as entitlement. You shouldn't debase him of his own opinion. What he said is totally not out of the box. For you to use such demeaning comments on him is totally not accepted. So apologize to him so we can continue with our meeting.
Mazibe, I'm sorry for using the wrong words on you.
It's alright. I have forgiven you.
Can we continue with our meeting? So what are you suggesting?
Let it not be what I'm thinking, oh. Let it not be that he has decided to end our relationship because of my late mother's threat. Mban, he can't. He loves me so much and he told me that.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Answer me. What are you doing here?
Ezewanshi.
Speak!
I came to see if the tree is tall enough for climbing.
Which tree?
This one.
How? This is not the first time you're coming to this compound. I know exactly what is bringing you to my compound. You came to defile the chosen one of the Ezewanshi dynasty. Mama is the next Ezewanshi of this community, and as such has no business with any man until her time is due for the initiation into the water confraternity. As you can see, you are a distraction. I'm only speaking to you in this manner because this is the first time. The next time I catch you, you might end up without your manhood in its right position. What? Leave my compound now! Leave now! Hey, stop there!
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. Please.
Mama! You have the effrontery to lie to me.
I'm sorry, Mama. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
You have chosen your punishment. Don't get up until I say so.
Mama. Mama, please, I'm sorry. Mama, please. Mama!
Arinze! 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 Arinze, come out!
What are you doing here at this time of the night? You should be at home mourning the demise of your mother.
The demise of my mother? Arinze, so you are aware? No, you are aware that I lost my mother.
I heard about it. Of course I heard about it. I also witnessed her procession at the riverbank.
You witnessed the procession at the riverbank? Arinze, and you did not deem it fit to come to my house to share in my pain? Arinze, you did not deem it fit to come to my house to share in my pains, Arinze. Every other person that I know in this village came to my house to mourn with me, but you did not come. You of all people, Arinze. What am I even saying? You know what, there's no problem. It is fine. I have seen how much you care and love me. I have seen how much you claim to love and care about me, Arinze. There's no problem. Enjoy.
One more.
No, see,
One more.
One more!
Where are you coming from? Eh? I want to see someone.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Our mother just died. And instead of mourning and respecting the dead, what did you do? You went to see that boy. The same boy she has been warning you all her life. Eh? Mama. At least for today, you should have stayed home and respect our mother. Mba, you won't do that. Not even for 2 days. 1 week. Or even a month. Your body will not allow you. You won't stay one place. Eh? Shame on you. Ada, did you even know what I wanted to do? Do you even have any idea? I am not in for those your big fat lies. No. I don't want to hear it. Keep it to yourself. Shame on you. What is all this? Eh? Why is life so cruel to me? What is all this? This is not fair. It is not fair at all. It is not fair. It is not fair. Oh, it's not fair.
No, what are you doing here? What do you want? What are you looking for?
You need to calm down. I've come to explain myself to you.
Explain what exactly? Avinze, tell me, what do you want to explain? That you were not there for me when I needed you most? Or that I rejected my calling as the next Ezenwayo of this community because of you? Tell me, what did I get in return? Nonchalant attitude towards me. Is that what you came here to explain to me?
No, you need to relax. I've come to tell you why I didn't want to come to your house the day your mother died.
Really?
Yes.
Avinze, there will be no need for that, okay? It is already late. I have made up my mind. I have made up my mind to end this whole, this rubbish, this nonsense we call relationship. I want to embrace my calling. Newsflash. I'm going to the palace today. I'm going to tell the king that I am ready to take over my mother.
Wama, you're not going to do that.
I've done it already.
You're not going to do that, Wama. Now listen to me. What is wrong with you? What has come over you?
Reality. Reality, Arinze. Reality has come over me. I've realized how much you care about me. I've seen it. Please, you have to leave my house. Just leave.
Wama, you're hurting me with your words. You're hurting me with your words!
Same way you broke my heart into pieces yesterday! Please leave! What are you still doing? As it is now, you have to leave, eh? My sister said you should leave. Why are you looking at me? She said you should leave. So, leave. Crying. Listen, you took the right decision. Our mother will be proud of you wherever she is now. But I love him so much. Sis, I love Arinze so much. He means the world to me. How am I ever supposed to live without him? I know, but listen, he's not worth your love. Your destiny should be paramount to you now. And the lives of the people in this village who needs the help of the river goddess should be paramount to you. Not him. He's just a distraction. And the way you took care of the distraction is the best thing you ever did for yourself and our mother. It's okay. You please need to stop crying. You need to stop crying, okay? Just stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
Didi, come now. I need to talk to you, please.
What is it?
Leave the road. Come this way.
How could you? No. How could you do such a thing to someone you claim to love? Someone who has sacrificed the sacred part of her life because of you. Her mother died. You couldn't even come to sympathize with her. Okay, just imagine. Yesterday, she was just asking about you.
Didi, can I talk? Am I free to talk now?
Talk.
I was on my way to your house. I needed to explain things to you so that you can pass the message across to your friend.
So why didn't you come?
On that day her mother died, I was in the house. I was outside the house. I wasn't sleeping. I was wide awake.
I have come to warn you for the last time. Mama, my daughter, is not an ordinary maiden of this village. She is a special one, the chosen one. She has no reason to defile herself with you. Stay away from her. You are a distraction. Stay away from her.
But she's still a virgin.
That is why I have come to warn you to stay away from her life. She's supposed to take over from me when I am no more. As a virgin, she's not supposed to defile herself with any man until she has served the river goddess for 20 years. Only then she is free to choose a man of her choice who will only meet her during her ovulation period for the raising of a son or a daughter that will take over from her. The way both of you are going, I am not sure of her virginity from now till 20 years to come. I repeat myself, you are a distraction. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my daughter.
What is it?
There's something terrible happening in this village.
What happened?
You have not heard?
No.
Your girlfriend's mother died last night.
What? Ebuka, is this some type of joke?
Aris, I am not joking. She died in her sleep last night. The news is everywhere. Ha!
Does it mean it was her spirit that appeared to me?
Aris, what did you say? Who appeared to you? What are you talking about? Huh?
Ndidi, I was so afraid. I couldn't leave the house. I was scared. Until I heard she's been taken to the riverbank for the funeral. Even after the funeral, I couldn't leave the house because I was so afraid. Until one man came. I tried to explain things to her, but she got very mad at me and left.
This is really serious.
Very serious.
Well, if you still want your girlfriend back, you have to rush down to the house because I think the sister is taking her to the palace. I think before I left the house.
Taking her to the palace for what exactly?
Well, she has finally accepted the Ace in Wine's title, so because she felt like you don't love her anymore. So the elder sister is taking advantage of the little misunderstanding both of you have. So you have to rush down to the house now.
Woman doesn't have to accept the responsibility. She's going to be very unhappy for the rest of her life. I can't let that happen. I can't.
How may I help you?
We're here to see the king.
Is he aware that you're coming?
Don't you know us? We are the children of the late Ezenwine.
Yes, I know you, but the king is not on seat today, so I don't know if it's on invitation.
Did you hear it? The king is not on seat. Let's go. No, wait. Listen, you have to go and inform the king that we are here. The reason we are here to see him is very dear to him. And I'm sure he will be delighted to know that we are here.
Really?
Yes.
Both of you should wait while I go upstairs to find out the present.
Okay. We are waiting. Sister Me, I want to go home. You want to go where? I don't want to do it again. I want to go home. You can't bring me here and tell me you want to go home. Listen, let me tell you. See that boy? That boy does not like you. He did not even come and sympathize with us when we lost our mother. And you want to make such sacrifice for him? No! Just wait. The king will soon be here. Oh? It's true. He doesn't deserve me at all. Just wait.
Just like you said, the king is delighted of your presence. Sit down and wait for him while he joins you guys shortly.
Please, I'm looking for someone. I was told she came to the palace.
Someone?
Yes.
Who is that?
In fact, 2 girls. I was told they came here.
2 sisters?
Yes, 2 sisters.
And who are you?
I'm their brother.
You know that is the one I gave birth to a son.
And now you know.
Wait!
Sit down.
Thank you.
I was glad when I heard that the daughters of the late Ezenwai of this village are here to see me. You're welcome to the palace of your fathers.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What brought you to my palace?
Igwe, my sister here has something to tell me.
Both of you have my permission. Speak up. What is distracting you? The king is missing.
My king, I have officially come to.
I hope all is well.
Yes, I have officially come to tell you what I've always told my mother when she was alive.
That's good. Can you speak now?
Yes, my king. My king, I came to tell you that I'm not interested in being the next Ezewai of this community. My elder sister can do it. After all, she understands the ordinance of serving the river goddess more than I do. My king, please, I beg you, just grant this request.
Please, sit down before you make further appeal. Let me further educate you. It is not ours to decide for the gods on who should be the head over the water goddess. They've already made their choice and the ordinance must be respected. Otherwise, we'll be making a big mistake. We're mere mortals who have no right to alter what they have already decreed. I hope this is clear.
But my king, they made the wrong choice.
What? How dare you? How dare you blaspheme against the gods and the ordinance of our forefathers held sacred? Who are you? I ask.
My king, I'm sorry, please forgive my sister's ignorance. She doesn't know what she's saying, you know. What's wrong with you now? My king, you're sorry.
That's enough. Your presence must set me. Leave my hands!
Let's go. What is your problem? What is the color of your problem? Were you not the one that told me that you are now ready to be the wine? Were you not?
Sister, I'm sorry. I said it out of anger. I didn't mean it.
Where did the anger go? Mba, where did he go to? Why did you bring me to the palace to embarrass me? Oh, ma, what did I ever do to you?
Sister, I just said I'm sorry now. I just said I'm sorry. The thing is that I can't let go of him.
Let go of him. Hey. Come on. He followed us to the palace. Oh, he's the reason you changed your mind. Okay? Ha! Okay. Sister. Okay. In your mind, my mother is no longer here to restrict you, where? You are now as free as a bird to rampage my sister, right? Let me tell you, it is now that you have a bigger restriction, because I will not sit back
and watch you ruin her life. It will never happen. Over my dead body. Take that as a loan. Listen to me. Listen to me. The earlier you realize that this nonsense you are doing with that boy, it is not going to happen. It is not going to happen. I will not allow you to ruin your destiny over my dead body. Oma Manata.
What is it now? Can I watch you getting? Why are you dragging me like a child? I'm an adult, so I'm not a child. Allow me live my life now. What is
Mama! Don't annoy me. You are in the palace. Just try one more time to free yourself from my grip and see if I will not give you backhand slap now. I'm off here.
Let's go. I'm not cooking anything, no. Sister, what is it now? Am I your slave? Am I your slave? What is all this? I don't like this thing you are doing, no. You are my elder sister. I'm not your slave. I'm not your slave. I'm not cooking anything.
Mama, are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. Up come a cow. Hey!
Stupid girl. Mama, why are you running? You would have stayed and talked to me. Rubbish.
Don't worry. I know what to do to you. I know what to do to you. Stupid girl.
Arinze, if I were you, I would have left that girl long time ago. I mean, there are lots of girls in this village who are willing to run things with you, but you stick to that girl. Her mother warned you till she died. Even in her other words, she still came to warn you. Arinze, you want to die? Are you not afraid? I don't understand. What did you see in that girl that other girl don't have?
The same question I ask myself. Ebuka. I love her so much. She's the one my heart wants.
You will be here doing love. You will just enter 6 feet. You will die. You will die. That's him love. Ha!
Ebuka, do you think I'm deliberately doing this? No, I am not. Something is controlling me. I am under an influence. Something stronger and bigger than me.
Since you are under an influence, tell that to the dogs in the streets. Me, I don't believe it. See, Arinze, I'm warning you. I am warning you. One day you see it now. You just die like that. You think, I've told you, I've warned you. Leave that girl alone. Okay. It's under the influence. Me, I don't believe that. I don't believe you at all.
What you're trying to tell me now is that my mother appeared to Arinze that very night she died?
That was what you told me. Not quite long ago.
Hey!
Mama, why are you doing? Why would she do this now? Why would she do such a thing?
I'm even speechless. I'm really speechless when he told me.
Hi! Mama, no now, eh? No! Why would my mother be doing this now? It's not fair.
Maybe the call on you is very serious. Yes. Maybe the consequences if you don't answer the Ezinwi's call is very serious. Eh? Maybe that's why she's trying so hard to avert the consequences.
Avert which consequences? Indeed, I'm asking you, what consequences is she averting? What is all this now? I know that God will not punish me because I did not answer the Ezinwi's call. This same God that they are saying called me is the same person that created man and gave us the will to choose whatever we want. What's all this now? He will not punish me because I did not want to answer the Ezinwi's call. I'm very sure of that. Everybody should leave me now. Let me breathe. What's all this?
Calm down.
Is it my first to answer call?
Calm down. Listen, I'm tired. All these things, I'm tired of it. Just have to take things easy. I'm tired too. Call, no call. All calling is call.
My love, I'm sorry I didn't come to see you. I was.
It's okay. It's okay. Didi told me everything.
She did?
Yes, she did. And I want to apologize to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not giving you audience. I should be the one to apologize then. I should have listened to you. I'm so sorry, my love.
Your anger is justified. And thank you so much for not letting our fights make you take the Ezinwi title.
Yes, I also want to thank you for coming. Seeing you alone gave me the courage to say my real mind to the Igwe. Thank you for saving me. If I had taken that mantle of Ezinwi, I wouldn't have forgiven myself. Thank you.
Let's go home. What is this now? Why did you pour water on us? Why did you do it? You're asking me questions. Mama, let's go home. Osegene, let's go home. Say, don't try this thing again. You should have said you just did today. What's the meaning of this now? You're warning me. Yes, I'm warning you. You're warning me. Mama, let's go. Let's go home. Please, you need to go home and change it. Go and change your clothes so I can go inside and change mine. Mama, leave me alone, though. Let's go. We'll fight here, oh. Mama, let's go. Sister!
Mama just left the two of us behind. With no brother, no father, no uncle, just the two of us. And I have been trying so hard just so we'll live in peace and unity. I have been trying so hard to see that happens. But you are trying so hard to see that we do not live in peace and harmony. Hey, it's because the reason I'm saying this thing is because that thing you're looking for, if you live in a heart, and when you see it, you will not like it. You're trying to make yourself my enemy, and it is not going to be nice at all, and I'm avoiding it. Hey, sister, it will not be nice at all.
Mama, you declared yourself an enemy the moment you refused to adhere to our mother's warnings about that boy. Yes!
Ezeoku.
You became my enemy the moment you refused to take over from our mother. Have you ever asked yourself how we are going to survive when the goats, the fowl, everything that our mother gathered in service finishes? Have you ever asked yourself? Listen to me.
you are going to take over from our mother because that's the only way we are going to make our livelihood in this house. Yes!
Ezioku, so that is the only thing in your head? No, I'm asking you, that is the only thing you're thinking of, livelihood. There is no problem, now take over. Adama, take over. After all, are you not our mother's first daughter? There is no problem, Nancy Mama actually, I don't want to take over, then take over. After all, you are used to the routines and rituals of the way our mother does that her work. I don't understand them. Do it, Nancy Mama Choro, take over. Ode Soku, Acharamia.
Why are you being ridiculous and unreasonable?
No, you are the one that is ridiculous and unreasonable. I was the Mia. I have never ever interfered in your own lifestyle. So stay away from my own lifestyle. You will not tell me how to live my life. I'm in love with somebody. I want to marry him. Oh no, is it by force?
Asi, I will not allow you to ruin your life. No, not while I'm still here. It's not going to happen.
Yes. You will not allow me to ruin my life. Is it your life? Can you go to the Adama? Is it your life that wants to be ruined? It is my life. So allow me do as I want. Or else you want me to leave this house for you? Yes, because I will be left with no other option than to leave this house. Can't so
It's again.
Yes.
It's again.
Oh,
okay. Oh, you want to leave the house and run to that boy's house or where? Ah, newsflash. If you run to that boy's house, I will still come there and grab you, drag you out. Yes, it will not happen.
No, let's bet.
No, you know what I can do.
Let's bet.
You know what I can do.
Oka go be kuchalo. I will not stand here and banter words with you. Oka go be meya. Kai kuchalo. I will try you go. One more,
that will not happen. No.
I will not answer. It's not going to.
I like dry season. Little time now. All these clothes will just yes, I like it. Rainy season. You wash and everything will just be there. Oh my God. Wait. Let me rinse it. You know what? You go and get more water for the rinsing. Wait, let me put this.
What happened to your daughter?
My daughter, brother. My daughter has been taken by the river.
No. I don't understand. It's not possible. How my daughter was taken by the river? I don't understand.
My only daughter.
Calm down. Just talk to me. Calm down. What happened?
I was washing my dirty clothes with my daughter. We ran out of water. I asked my daughter, please help me draw water from the stream. She went. I see her. Oh my God. Oh.
Calm down. What happened?
I asked her to help me draw water from the stream so that we can finish what we are doing.
Okay.
Oh God.
So what happened now?
So here we go. Not my daughter. Hey brother. Oh brother.
Man, talk.
She went to the river. She went to the stream. And she managed to draw the water. Hey, the river dragged her. I carry her body away.
Oh, it's not possible.
My daughter.
Not in this our village.
My daughter. But can't you agree? Does it mean that my daughter is gone? Mbano. No! My daughter cannot go! My daughter cannot
go! Hey! This is strange, in this village.
Our own river.
Because of your stupid love with this girl, strange things are now happening in our village. People are now dying. Our own peaceful river have turned to danger zone. People are now afraid to go to the river because of your selfish reason.
Ebuka, I thought you were educated. Why are you sounding so senseless? Did I force her to fall in love with me? Did I force her to reject the Ezenwanyi's title? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? She's a grown woman. She can make her own choices.
Arize, you told me. You told me that this girl had run to the Igwe to make her intention known of being the next Ezenwanyi, when people had misunderstanding. It was same you who ran to the palace to confuse her and convince her to follow you. Now people are suffering. Look at what is happening in our village.
Ebuka, I sense jealousy. Ebuka, I put it to you that you're jealous of me. Yes! Ebuka, remember you tried to get her, but she rejected you. She rejected you! And now you're jealous of me. Your heart is full of hatred, jealousy, because she is in love with me.
Hey! Hey! Arize, if they dash me that girl, I will not take. That girl is a man-made. That girl is mommy water. See you, mommy water, you will just die. You will just die. Okay, in your mind now you have seen the woman you want to spend the rest of your life with. Oh yeah now, you will just die. Look at what your selfishness is causing us in this village. Our own river, nobody can go to the river to fetch water. And I say, my heart is full of jealousy. Ha! That is it. Hey, you will just die. Don't move away.
It is me, your daughter, Mama. I have come to thank you. I have come to thank you for everything that you have done for us. Akwande kanji webia. Kambia kenunu. Where kenunu ni yomani nunu nemelain. You that is the giver of life. You that is the giver of procreation. You that is the giver of children. I have come to thank you. I did not just come to thank you alone. We are thanking you because you have protected our land. We thank you because of the peace that you have given us. Nora, Nwaanyị mana gị sie. Ekelekwa m gị. Ekene m gị n'Eke. Ekene m gị n'Orie. Ekene m gị n'Afọ. Ekene m gị na Nkwọ. Eze nwaanyị mmiri. Ọkwa anụ ka m ji n'aka wee bịa kene unu. Wee sị ka unu nabata ya n'obi ọcha ma gọzie anyị. Ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Eke. Ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Orie. Ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Afọ. Ọ ga-adịla anyị mma na Nkwọ. Ya gazie. Ya gazie. Agasigo. Hey! Eze nwaanyị mmiri. Ya gazie.
What kind of dream am I having these days? Every night. Doesn't mean I will soon give in to pressure. Besides, what am I doing in my mother's room? Good morning, my love.
Good morning.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
No. You're not fine. My love, this is not you. You saw me walking here. You didn't even act like you saw somebody. What is it?
One ma. Are you mommy water?
Eh? Sorry, what did you just say?
Are you a mermaid?
Arinze!
It's okay. Don't worry. Forget I said that.
No. You just asked me a question. So what was the meaning of that? Like, what was that question for?
It was a slip of tongue.
Whatever. My love, I came here for something important.
What's that?
Lately, I've been having some kind of weird, kind of funny move. I don't even understand it. Every night I go to sleep in my dream, I will always see myself performing the duties of the Ezenwai to the river goddess. Yes. And another thing is that whenever I wake up from this dream, I will see myself in my mother's room. Knowing fully well that I did not sleep in that room that same night. I slept in my own room, but I woke up seeing myself in my mother's room. This whole thing is so scary.
Why are you just telling me this?
Obim, I'm telling you because I am scared. I'm scared that these people will just pressure me into doing what I don't want to do. And you know I don't want that for myself.
So what do you want for yourself? You know what?
I suggest we just end this entire relationship. I mean, so we can give you some time to focus on yourself and fulfill your own destiny.
My love, I want you. I want you, my love. I want you to have my most intimate embrace. Arinze, take my virginity.
What?
Yes. My love, take it, because that is the only way I will never ever be the Ezenwai. My love, this is the right time. Can't you see? This is the right time. I chose you a long time ago. You are the only man after my heart. I want you to take my virginity so that all of this drama will end. My love, please take it. I want you to know that I chose you a long time ago. You are the only man after my heart. My love, if you don't take my virginity, I'm scared that these people will pressure me into doing what I don't want to. Please, just take it. And you know what that means? If I accept that mantle of Ezenwai, I will not be happy for the rest of my life. Please, my love, just take it.
What is it now? Why are you acting different? I miss you. Don't you miss me?
I miss you too.
Then come, then let's go ahead. Come, I miss you. Come.
Babe.
What? What is it now? What's wrong? Why are you doing this? Don't you miss me?
Babe, I miss you. It's just that we need to wait for the right time.
What do you mean wait for the right time? When is the right time?
Babe, we just have to be patient.
You told me that you're no longer interested in becoming the Ezenwai, right? So give me your virginity. Come on.
Babe, I just said we need to wait for the right time.
What do you mean the right time? When is the right time?
Want? Why did you bring?
What do you want?
I want her.
Why?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere with you people. Is it my fault? Is it my fault to be Ezenwai?
It's okay. Keep quiet. What do you want, sir?
I've been instructed by the king to bring her to the palace with immediate effect. And I suggest you follow us willingly, gently. Else, I will use force on you.
She goes nowhere. You have to kill me first.
Young man, out.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Sister, you're the one that brought them here.
You have to kill me first.
Hey!
Out of my way.
You have to kill me first.
Stop! not killing him! I'm not going anywhere with you people! What is this? You're killing him! I'm not going... Hey! 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 Sister! Move on, sir! You have killed him! You have killed innocent person! You have killed innocent person! What is this now? I found this guy! Hey! You bastard! I'm not going anywhere with you! I'm not going anywhere with you! I'm not waiting! Move on! No, later! Move on, sir!
Wama, we called you here to let you understand that nobody's trying to infringe on your rights. But we want you to understand the precepts of the duty which you are called. Our happiness is that your mother, when she was alive, told you on the same lane of your call. And if you do not pay attention to this, it will be a great calamity to the people of this kingdom. And of course, what will you benefit from the simple duty you are to be carried to save the souls of this kingdom? I want you to pay attention. That's the reason we bring you here. I hope this is clear.
Highness, I do not mean to be disrespectful, but at every point I've always told my mother, I've told her that I'm not interested. I don't want it. I'm not a robot now. I'm a human being. I don't like the fact that everybody is pushing me up and down. I want to do my own thing by my own self. I want to make my own choice. I'm sorry, I don't want to be your easy wine.
Our daughter, the battle you are trying to embark on, you don't have your own power to overcome it. You don't own yourself. We own you. The community owns you. Since you've been choosing as the Ezewine that will serve the river goddess, you don't have any other choice whatsoever, my dear. At all.
Thank God. Ebuka. Hey. You are here.
Oh, Chine, do I get it now?
Ebuka is still asking me a question. You are here, and they went to your best friend's house and killed him.
Killed who? Huh? What nonsense are you talking about?
Okay, now let me tell you the news. I saw some palace guard with palace vehicle, and one man is inside, crying, shouting. You people have killed an innocent boy. What has he done to you? And I come to reason, sense it, and I am sure she was talking about Arinze, because the car was driving out from Arinze's compound.
Hey! Arinze, I want him more. I want him more.
Rush now. Rush now. Rush now.
Insane. Arinze, are you okay? Arinze, are you okay? Arinze, 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 are you okay? Arinze, are you okay?
Where is she? They took her away.
Where is she? Alize! Alize, what is it? Are you okay? Alize, do you know that a few moments ago, we were lying here lifeless? I thought we were dead. And now you are up, you want to go after that same girl. Alize, that same girl that nearly killed you. Alize, who has bewitched you? Huh? What have come over you?
Ebuka, if your mission in my life is to make me stay away from the love of my life, then you have failed. Ebuka, you lied to me! You told me Wama is an Obanje. You said she's Mami Water! You lied! Now listen and listen good. Stay away from me. I love Wama, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. If Wama is the reason we are no longer friends, so be it, Ebuka.
What is it? Hey! Alize, nah. Hey! Hey! It is said that the death that will kill the dog will not allow it to perceive the smell of an excreta. Hey! Alize, I owe you nothing. The only thing I owe you on the day of your funeral is an oration. And I will gladly say it. Rest on, my friend. Goodbye. Because I know this journey, you will not come out of it alive. Hey! Alize.
My daughter, we didn't bring you here to banter words with you if you are going to accept it or not. But we brought you here to put you in isolation for 7 days. On the 7th day, you'll be crowned the new Izawai of Adisagri.
So what you are trying to say now is that I'm a slave. I'm your slave. I don't have a choice of my own. Is that what you're saying?
Your Highness, please grant me permission to excuse myself from this meeting.
Granted.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Igwe has a right. He has the right to do whatever he wants to do. Alright? Let's just go ahead with the matter at hand.
Igwe, please, 1 minute.
Kind of nonsense.
Ichebe, what was the meaning of that?
You are asking me what was the meaning of that?
Yes.
How can you people subject your subjects to modern day slavery in these modern times? How?
Ichebe, nobody is subjecting anyone to anything. She's a daughter of this community, and as far as I'm concerned, she must obey the community.
Now let me set the record straight. She does not belong to the community.
Okay.
She belongs to humanity. Even the federal government respects the globally accepted rule of law, which respects the right of an individual. She's just a human, just like you and I. The girl in question said she's not interested in taking this title of Ezewai, or whatever you call it. Forcing her against her wish will amount to modern day slavery. And that, I do not want to be a part of it.
So what do you want us to do? No, I'm asking you now, what do you want us to do? Allow her to have her choice? And our people suffer because there will be nobody to serve the goddess of the river? Is that what you want?
Now let me clear your doubts. What I want you people to do is to take decisions that does not undermine the rights of an individual, be it male or female. That is the only time I will be interested. For this one, cut me out. I won't be a part of it. Can you just imagine? What arrant nonsense. Forcing someone against his or her wish.
Ichi, you don't know him. He's just an empty vessel when it comes to things that concern our tradition and culture. So, don't be disappointed.
I don't know why somebody will be behaving anti-clockwise. Eh?
And I don't know why he is here when he has nothing to do with us here.
Nothing to offer
At all whatsoever.
Igwe. Let us not begin to count whatever that's pitching in the night, whether it's mosquito or not. The most eminent is that we must put her on isolation in preparedness for the ritual of her being as a wife. Guards! Guard!
Just imagine. What kind of nonsense is this?
Ibe! The session is over.
I am glad I was not a part of any decision taken on her matter.
Ibe, let me educate you. Soon, and very soon, you will not be part of us again in this cabinet. You see, you're supposed not to be here at all whatsoever, if not for the death of your father.
Look, mind your language. I am respecting you for your age. Mind your language. How can you talk to me that manner?
And if I don't mind my language, what will happen?
Look, don't try me, oh. Don't try me.
Better be careful, Dewey is not here.
So then, and enough, both of you, quit. Enough!
Dewey is not here.
How can you be washing your dirtiness in the presence of those people who are looking up to you? Eh?
Don't you see the way he's talking to
What is your problem?
Don't do this thing next time, oh. If you do it next time, you will see the other side of me.
Stop this nonsense, let's go. Come on. You move. Can't you old people behaving like children?
How could you all be this wicked? How? Trying to kill me was not enough. You kidnapped my girlfriend against her wish.
Who are you? And why are you ranting like this? I believe you don't know where you are.
My name is Arinze. I'm a son of the soil. Earlier today, some men from this palace came to my house. They fought me. They hit my head and took away my girlfriend.
You hear him took away his girlfriend. Oh, so you are telling us now that the girl in question is no more a virgin,
I never said that.
You just told us right now. That she's your girlfriend,
True love is not about sex. Yes, she's my girlfriend, but I've never had carnal knowledge of her. She's still a virgin. May the ancestors bear me witness.
Okay. That's all right. And that is better for you. However, God, take him to the way. Exactly. Uzubo, follow him. I wonder what this whole world is coming into.
Hey, what's here? Okay.
Highness, Elder Onu asked me to bring him to you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Who are you?
Your Majesty, my name is Arinze. I'm from this community. I am Wama's boyfriend. I was there when your palace guards tried to take her away. I tried to stop them, but they hit me with their gun and I passed out. Your Majesty, with due respect, Wama is human. She has the right to either accept the responsibility of becoming the Ezenwine or not.
Shut up! You tried to stop my orders and you had the effrontery to come before me and speak about it? You must be the one Adama is talking about.
Your Majesty, there is this young man in this village. His name is Arinze. He's the brain behind my sister's refusal of becoming the Ezenwine. I'm sure if he's dealt with, my sister will gladly accept to be the Ezenwine.
You are the young man Adama is talking about. You are an enemy to this village.
Your Majesty, I am an enemy to no one. I'm only fighting for a girl whose right has been taken away from her.
You tried to stop my orders? And for being bold to come here and tell me about it, I will order the guards to give you 52 strokes of cane this hot afternoon so you will learn your lesson. Guards! Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take him to the head of disciplinarian. Tell him I said you should give him 52 strokes of cane for being stupid.
Your Majesty, I'm only fighting for a girl whose right has been taken away from her! I'm only fighting for a girl whose right has been taken away from her! Your Majesty!
There's anyone you need to vet your anger on is the king and not me. You need to eat, because dead men don't fight for their rights. Pick up the crumbs that you threw away and eat it.
Tell the king I want to leave this place! I don't want your food! I don't want your crumbs! I don't want anything!
So when will my friend be coming back? She will be there for 7 days.
7 days? Ha. You mean I will not see my friend for the next 7 days? As a matter of fact, the next time you will see her, she must have become the new Ezenwine.
You don't mean it. But why will the king keep her there for the next 7 days? It's in line with our tradition and ordinance, as it affects the river goddess. The new Ezewan is kept in isolation for 7 days, after which she will be ordained by the senior Ezewans from our neighboring village. Okay, because I was thinking it's because she refused to be the Ezewan. That was why the king kept her there. No, it's in accordance to our tradition. My mother told us how she was isolated before she took over from her late mother. Interesting. So like this now, my friend will become the new Ezewan. Hey! Yes, so I can't wait. Finally. Yes. See my friend though. He's sweeting me.
Are you sure?
I can't wait to see her.
It is quite unheard of that Iyingodo now drowns human being. You are all aware that before now, even if a toddler mistakenly enters Iyingodo, he will just push the child out. It has been reported that over 5 persons have been drowned in the same Iyingodo. Do we need to be told that something is amiss?
Igwe, I think we should stop people from going to that river. Because clearly the river is not happy with us any longer. So we need to stop people from going to that river to avert any further occurrence.
Igwe, I support the motion. We should place an embargo on the riverbank, warning strictly that whoever trespasses does that at his or her own risk. With that, I believe we can put a stop in further death.
Be that as it may, we need to provide a solution for this. Yes, it is a must.
Oh, Igwe, it's very simple. Whoever emerges as the new Ezewan will be meant to start our work immediately by worshipping the river goddess. Our first assignment is atonement. Maybe with this, we might be able to pacify the river goddess.
We were all here when the young girl in question made it clear that she is not interested in becoming the next Ezewan of this village. Tell me, are we going to force her against her will?
In this subject matter, she has no choice. What matters here is the God's choice.
Exactly.
And as long as she's the chosen one, she must perform her duty to her kingdom.
And what if she vehemently refused to? What will happen?
She can't run away from her destiny. No matter how she tries. And no matter how hard.
It's a code. I cannot be no for.
done everything humanly possible. I wish there's something else I can do to save my love from this injustice. I've done everything humanly possible. I wish there's something else I can do to save my love from this injustice.
What are you doing here? You abuser of human rights!
Relax, young man. I have come to see you. I want you to know that I am of those who abused your rights. I stand on the supremacy of the rule of law.
If you're not one of them, why did you allow the king treat us like that?
That is why I'm here. I have come to help you secure justice for yourself and your loved one.
And how do you intend to do that?
How is all that possible? Your willpower and mine can make it possible. Whenever there is a will, there must always be a way. Revolution starts with one man. The changes starts with you and me. If we desire to change the dark lights over our community and make it shine, if we desire it, we can as well have it.
I desire it a great deal. The question is, what is the first step to take towards actualizing this plan?
The first step to take towards actualizing this plan is to make yourself available anytime I need you. That is all.
I'm available for any movement to help us get justice for one man.
That's where I stand.
Ifa kujeli di anamba, Mifa kujeli di anamba, Mane buba kune chago, Odumune wago, Manaruru chukura dumnuna. Agu gamutago, Yeni gamudeni. Ọdụmụ ga-amụta ọdụmụ, agwọ ga-amụta agwọ, agwọ niile ji bụrụ agwọ ma na-enwere eke nwe ọfịa. A sị na-enebe agadi nwaanyị anya n'ọnụ, ọ dịka ọ na o ji ha wee ṅụọ agha. Mana agadi nwaanyị adị aka nka na-egwu ọma agba. Maka na soro kedebe egwu ndị mmụọ. A sị n'ụkwụ ọ gbara awụ bụ aka ka e nyere ya ka o wee nwee ebe ọ na-eje ọsịsọ maka na mgbe riri ọjị abụrụzi nwa. Onye mana ji ya epu ome ji wee togide tofuo oke. Na sị n'ebe nwata na-ebe akwa ahụ aka nne ya nọghị ama na nne ya nọ ya maka na ọchụ nwa ọkụkụ nwada mana nwa ọkụkụ nwee ngwongwo ọsọ. Your Majesty, the young maiden, she is still a virgin. She is still fit to carry on the Ezenwanyị lineage. Maka na agwọ tụrụ mbe tụrụ okpokoro.
Gradually, to be more sincere, I was scared to the marrow when I heard that a certain young boy has been parading himself as her boyfriend. I wondered what that meant. I said, could it be the reason she's rejecting to become the Ezenwanyị and dodging from her duty?
She has not, Your Majesty. Makana pakaraga mozo, manozo gana. Your Majesty, she is fit to be ordained as the next Ezewine of this great kingdom. Makanada Hisaka Borium.
I'm happy. I'm happy that she is within the corridor of becoming the Ezewine. Nothing will stop her, is it, Dibia? Nothing more, nothing less.
Your Majesty, the gods have spoken.
The gods are wise.
Ada, good morning.
Good morning. Ndidi, this one you came this early. I hope all is well.
All is well. Well, I prepared my friend's favorite food. So I thought of taking some of the food to her in the palace.
Hey, whoa, you made okwa?
Yes.
Hey! That's very good.
No. I prepared it just for my friend.
Oh. Unfortunately, no one sees her till her isolation period is over. She's been assigned to only one guard that takes food to her morning and night. And the food must come from the king's kitchen. To assure her safety. So you see, the okwa is now for me. Just give it to me.
Sure. This is a white thing. It's very difficult. It's not easy at all.
Before Uncle, do you expect it to be easy? Mbana, just give me the okwa. Oh! No. Thank you. Oh, thank you. It's as if you knew there's no food in this house. At least this one will be enough for me. Thank you.
No problem. Just turn the food inside the plates because I have to return these flags to the owner.
Oh, okay. I'll do that. I'm coming.
I'm waiting for the flags. It says in writing, safe. Now the food I used my special hands to cook for my friend. Now you're the one that want to eat it. But tell you the flags, let me go.
Today, we welcome you to the family of Ezewine. You shall take over from where your mother stopped. Your mother was a faithful servant to the river goddess till her death. She served humanity all her life. You shall serve humanity all your life, just as your mother did. Welcome to the family. Acharugo mama, amaragi usana ni.
Noma.
Adejego, amaragi usana ni. Noma. Nwa yo, amaragi usana yo. Noma. Acharugo nwa, amaragi usana yo. Noma. Nenego, amaragi usana yo. Noma. Acharugo nwa, amaragi usana yo. Noma. Nenego, amaragi usana yo. Noma. Acharugo nwa, amaragi usana yo. Noma.
Oh my God. I reject it. I will never be initiated into your group. I reject it. Get out. Take this thing and get out of this place. Get out!
You need to eat your food.
How many times have I told you that I don't want to eat your poison? Take this food and leave this place.
If you don't eat or drink anything, you may not be alive on the day of your ordination. Eat the food.
Then I'd rather die. I'd rather die than to accept the mantle of that Ezewine.
You do not have any choice. Know that. Eat the food. The food will be here.
Get out.
Eat the
Get out!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What is the situation report on the maiden kept on isolation?
Your Highness, the girl has refused to eat anything since the day you brought her till now.
Why?
I don't know, Your Majesty. I have done everything within my power, but she has refused to take anything.
This is the 4th day of that maiden in isolation room. And this has been happening. You kept it all to yourself. So if I had not called you to ask you about this, I wouldn't know about it. Is that what you are trying to prove to me?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
You should be sorry for your incompetence. Now, because of this nonsense of yours, go in there, pack your luggage, and leave the palace at once.
Your Majesty. No, you can't do that, please. I'm the only person my family depends on. If you fire me in a lot of mouths to go hungry, please tamper justice.
Are you sick in the head?
Your Majesty.
I said go out there, pack your luggage, and leave the palace at once.
Your Majesty. Please tamper justice with mercy.
Now leave my sight.
Please, Your Majesty.
Get
tamper justice
out
with
of
mercy.
my sight.
What's happening now?
I don't know what I did.
Why are you not in your uniform?
The king relieved me of my job.
Why?
Because the girl in the isolation room, she refused to eat her food. How is that my problem?
Just because of that? The king asked you to go?
Well, they said I didn't inform him on time. How am I supposed to know now?
You will have now. Hey, yeah.
How am I supposed to know? How is that my fault now? What will I do now?
Child. I'm going now.
Going home now.
Sorry, bro. We miss you. All of us will miss you. Child.
What will I do now? This is the only job I used to feed my family. What kind of thing is this one now?
King will start. Sorry, yeah? Chai. Oh. Let me open the gate. Yeah, open the gate. You see, oh. Naba, don't worry. Oh. Naba. Bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye. Chai. So they have changed this brand in this palace now.
I heard that since you were brought here, you refused to eat.
That is because food is not what I want.
What do you want?
I want my freedom. I want to be able to do things on my own, anyhow I want it.
If you do not eat, you will be sick and look so weak. I want you to eat so you stay healthy in the pregnancy of your ordination. In 3 days' time, it's the D-Day. I want you to be strong and look healthy.
Like I said earlier, Your Majesty, food is not what I want. I know what I want.
If you don't eat, I'll be left with no option than to do enforcement. Cabinet. There is a critical situation. Our new Ezewine-to-be has refused to eat or drink anything since the day she has been confiscated to the isolated room. And you know what that means? she has been threatening fire not to eat anything. What do we do?
Igwe, I don't know why children of these days are very stubborn and stupid. I just don't know why.
She does not have any other option than to be our Ezewan. But my fear is this: we cannot ordain a hungry, weak-looking Ezewan. We must find a way to make her feed.
Icheibe, I quite agree with you. Honestly, I agree with you. Igwe, I suggest we get a physician to administer some energy-boosting drugs to her. That kind of drug that when you take it, you will never resist hunger.
Good idea.
Yes, Igwe. The drugs will make her to feel very well, and she will regain the strength she lost for those few days that she has not eaten.
Well, very well. That aside, the guard that was assigned for the isolation center has been dismissed. A new guard is already there doing the job. Vis-a-vis, I want us to talk about Ichie Ndoka issue. That has been giving me a heck, I must tell you. What do we do? Do we still allow him to cultivate in that land, or to give it to the poor widow who the land rightfully belongs to?
Take these drugs. Give her according to her, prescribe it. 2 now, 2 later in the night. Bet me, by tomorrow morning, she will be the one demanding for food.
You mean 2 now?
Yes. 2
and 2
later in the night. Yes.
What if she refuses to take it?
Force it on her. She needs it. Even the king needs her. Yeah, do it now.
No problem.
Do? Okay now.
This is your food. And these drugs are for you. They are to make you eat well. So, if you eat your food in peace, I will not have to force these drugs on you. So eat your food in peace.
Not the food and the drugs. I don't want any.
I offered you peace, but you chose violence. Violence you shall receive.
No. You told me.
I tried to convince her to eat, but she refused. I had to force the drugs on her.
Very well then. Tonight you must have a routine check. Let's see how she will not ask for food tomorrow morning. to your duty post.
I'm someone who respects tradition and culture, but the international community need to know that we are in slavery here. We have been enslaved by our leaders, the elders, the chiefs and council. They have, worked tirelessly to ensure that we are treated badly. And I want this to stop. And the only way that can stop is when we publish this news to the entire public and let them know that this is what's happening. So I think that's all for now. So the moment we put this thing down, everything is fine. Use my friend's address, number 34 Cole Street. 34 Cole Street. Yeah, opposite the post office. So to cut a long story short, you understood everything I said. We're in this village and we are in slavery. They have enslaved us due to tradition and culture. And we want all of that changed. So we need your help. Reach out to the international communities for them to come and help us. Thank you very much.
Come. What is it? Why are you shouting? See, you need to see this video. Your sister is trending. Everybody's talking about her. Hey.
Justice for one man. Free one man. I don't understand. Is my sister okay?
Yes. Let me tell you. I recently went to some bloggers and told them the story of how our king adopted Nwama and how the community is forcing her to accept the Ezenwanyị title against her wish. Even the international human rights is interested in this story. The story is really going viral. Wait, how is it their business how we choose to live?
It is their business, so they come into matters uninvited, especially matters that has to do with the abuse of human rights. It is their business.
Wait, when they come in, what do they do? Are they going to stop myself from being the next season wine?
Let me tell you, if they come in, even our king and his cabinet members will be in serious problem because they are going to sue them to court.
Huh? They are going to sue our Igwe to court for practicing his tradition. Yes. Ah, that's not possible. It's not possible now.
Okay, let's watch and see. Let's watch and see.
Hey, bro, my sister, I hope she's okay.
Your sister is fine. This is the best thing ever.
Hey.
Just calm down.
I'm very sure that by now she will be demanding for food.
Igwe, can I buy me Bible na eme ekwu ọzọ? Ya wa na ekwu na ọzọ. Mana adi agwo chinti na Yesu maka na oge ji anya wefu ya. I'm telling you.
You are very correct. Igwe, I suggest we summon the guard assigned to the young lady. Let him come and tell us the effect of the drugs on her. Because as far as I'm concerned, no matter how she tries, she cannot run away from her destiny.
Igwe, no one can outrun his or her own destiny. And then name
Guard! Guard!
Igwe.
Tell the new guard assigned to the new Ezewine that I demand to see him.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You see, when trees fall upon trees, first the top notches must be removed.
Exactly.
That is exactly what we're doing.
Yeah?
That's it.
The king summoned me to get Gadizu. He's nowhere to be found around the palace. Did he by any chance leave the palace?
I was sure I locked this gate before going to bed last night. And no one has ever complained that something is missing in this palace. Maybe he sneaked out when everybody was asleep. Hey.
Are you sure about this? Then I have to check the guard's quarters if his bag is still in there.
Okay. Please check. Hey.
All over the internet. Freedom for Arize. Freedom for Wamma. Justice for Arize. Justice for Wamma. They go do comments. Hey!
Ebuka. Are you surprised?
Yes!
Why?
I'm not coming to this powerful.
You had the guts to ask me. Arinze, is this all you can do? Is that all you can do? Hold on. I'm not done yet. By the time the international human rights body comes to this village and gets your king arrested with the entire council of chiefs, then you know who you're dealing with.
Hey! Nah, Diego. Arize, Diego, I am not scared of you. Hey! But Arize, are you sure that these human rights international bodies, are you sure they're going to come?
Am I sure they're going to come? Why are you running faster than your shadow? Hold on. Calm down. You're going to see who you're dealing with very soon.
Look, serious. Hey! Arize, I fear you. Arize, they're going to comment. They're going to comment. All over the country, people are just commenting. People are just talking.
Go to Facebook.
Facebook, come on here now. No. Hey! Hey! Arize. Diego. See what it is. Look at what this one said. They're good. Hey! At least I'm afraid of you.
Hey!
But they are not coming.
His bag is not in the guard's quarters.
Hey!
Hey, how do I break this news to the king? How do I tell the king that I was asleep and someone sneaked out of the palace last night?
You have no choice. You have to explain how it happened.
Thought we send someone to go and summon the guy that is assigned to the isolation room.
I don't know what is keeping them.
I wonder myself.
This is not the guard attached to the isolation room.
He's not the one, Your Majesty. There is an ugly situation.
What ugly situation?
Igwe, I woke up this morning and realized that the gate was open. I was confused because I properly closed the gate last night. And I was wondering, until he came to tell me that you summoned for guard Izu, and he can't be found anywhere in the palace. We just confirmed that he took his things and sneaked out of the palace when everybody was asleep.
What? Are you sure he did not go with the maiden?
Go to the isolation room and check if the maiden is still there.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is it? What is it?
Igwe, I went in there. I found out that maiden is dead.
Dead? Dead? How?
I don't know.
Others, go in there and confirm the situation immediately.
Yes, you go. Let me go and check.
Follow.
You
also weak.
Your Highness, my visit here does not entail any exchange of pleasantry at all.
Oh, you sounded as if there is thunder in the sky.
Because all is not well. As I speak to you right now, Your name and the name of your village are trending all over the internet right now. And it's not for good. It's not.
What have I done to attract the trending news online?
The same lady you and your cabinet members are forcing against her wish to serve your village deity is what is making you to trend. Her young boyfriend told with evidences how your men brutalized him when he tried to save this young girl. Your Highness, even one of your cabinet members testified that he resigned from your cabinet just because of this issue.
Yeah, are you sure for this? It is true. The lady is dead. What? Yes, she's dead.
Igwe, which girl are you talking about?
Same issue you said is trending online.
What? Your Highness, this is not good. This is not good. As I speak to you right now, the trend carries a hashtag that says Free Wama, Justice for Wama, and it has attracted the attention of the international human rights community. As I speak to you right now, they are coming with their military men to arrest you and your cabinet members for illegal adoption of this young girl. And when they find out that she is dead, Igwe, it's a murder case. And the jail term is life imprisonment for you and your cabinet members.
Let me forget it. Come to see me. I'm coming. Let me do this myself. I'm coming. Let us. I know this. I'm coming. Open the gate. Open the gate. Open. What is happening?
So everybody's running in this palace. Hope is this safe.
Okay. Now, what are we going to? What are we going to do? Prison yard is no part.
God forbid, prison yard.
Yes.
In fact, I'm going to my house now. I'm going to my maternal home. Let me go. I'm going.
I'm following you now.
Follow me to where?
Yes. Anywhere you go, I'll go with you.
You cannot follow me, oh.
Maka, why?
Right now, every man to himself. I am going.
Oh yeah. You sent for me.
You told me that Christianity is a life above death.
Exactly, Your Highness. Christianity is a life beyond the natural human life. It is called Zoe, the life of God.
Can you prove this to me?
Your Highness, I can prove it any day, any time.
Pastor, if you prove this to me, I am making a promise that I will abandon the custom and tradition of my forefathers, which is the serving of the river goddess, and embrace your own for the rest of my life.
Thank you, Jesus. Pashakata. Jesus is Lord.
Follow me. She is supposed to be the successor of the last priestess to the deity of this village. But she declined. She chose her love life over our tradition. So I brought her here against her wish. Unfortunately, she died. The whole world are already in her matter. You know what that means? If there is no miracle, now bring her back to life, or anything close to that, I will spend the rest of my life in jail.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Igwe, you seek for a miracle you shall receive.
Amen. Amen.
A miracle you shall see.
Amen.
The Bible says that God has highly exalted him and given him a name that is above every other name. That at the name of Jesus, every knee shall bow, of things in heaven, on earth, and under the earth. Today you shall know that there is a God in heaven who oversees to the activities of men on earth. Igwe, can you kindly wait for me in your throne?
Oh, that will be fine. It's okay. If there's anything you need, the guards will bring it.
Don't worry, I'm okay. Thank you, Lord Jesus. I hear this. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Librado shakabayandi nikazia. Mezekete lubara sikata labayandi alabuska bahari. Malide kosi brade shakabayande. Lima kasuna brahinde koski tebayadi. Libra koshakabaya lima katasi ande legodos. Balina no kosi leketo pure de la bayadi. Baliana kasuto balina la basonde legede. Bariketu suku bradile ki bratu sintele di brados kanada. The Bible says that God has highly exalted him and given him a name that is above every other name. That at the mention of the name of Jesus, every knee shall bow. Everything that has a name, even death, shall bow. Maria Kasuto Pariende Legesuna Bayadeska. Lima Mato Shikabaya, Lima Kateski de Loska. Barina Kusoto Bayalandia Kateska. Legina Makayaluku Bayadeska. De Liana Kusopayale, Baruno Kusutaleka. Barina Kusukopa. Liaka Kasuto Bradina Kozia. Lesi Kaparunia Paratezi. Ganuna Kapa. Reziana Kunotoska. Bayana Bayaka Kusolidele. Rakaba Sutolina Maya. Ligabasi Ketei. I command your spirit. I command your spirit to come back to your body in the name of Jesus. Liparusi Katepa Yane. Zelina Kuzuna Ba. Zapa Munia Kazepesi. Lejuna Mayadeka. Baruno Kasekele. Baruka Seladeka. Bayania Katuso. Barina Kasia Nadesa Bade. Jeni Matusa Kataye. Rika Basundo Mayadeka. Lika Pasku. Rika Bayane. Rika Sida. Rika Sida Limaya. Come back to It worked. Pastor, it worked. She's alive. The word of God works, Your Highness. The word of God works. I present to you your maiden alive. Christianity is real. It is not a scam as many profess. She's alive. Christianity is real, Your Highness. Mashekete libro kusinde labrahada.
Pastor, I've given my life to Christ.
Shapale ketezele bode. Can you raise your hands up as a mark of surrender to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords? I would like you to repeat after me. Say, dear Lord Jesus.
Dear Lord Jesus.
I come to you today.
I come to you today.
I confess with my mouth.
I confess with my mouth.
That you are the Lord of my life.
That you are the Lord of my life.
I believe in my heart.
I believe in my heart.
That God raised you from the dead.
Can I help you?
He has instructed us to bring you to the palace. He has something important to tell you.
I see. The pressure has gotten to the king. Well, I'm sorry, I can't follow you to the palace alone. I have to call my partner in this struggle. Give me a second.
We are waiting for you.
I am here to apologize to both of you for trampling on your rights and melting undue punishments to both of you. I want to tell the whole world that I have corrected my mistakes. I have righted my wrongs. I want the whole world to know that henceforth I have abolished the worship of the water goddess and all its diabolic practices. I and the people God has given to me will worship true God, our Lord Jesus Christ. I want you to know as well that today I consent to your union as man and wife. The palace treasury will sponsor your wedding.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you very much.
Malangugu malone kerea asna chua jafu dele imani femele obinde mo. Now that one man has married the man of her choice, she is free to be the Ezenwine after performing the Uwogodo ritual. Makanezu ka hiru dele atot wonga.
My great mother, I greet you. Today I have come to thank you
want to thank you for what you have done for me. And now that I have acknowledged you people, I ask that you people bless me. Give me the strength and the resilience to do this work just like my mother did. My great mother, I ask that you bless this community and its inhabitants. Give us good soil. Those that are looking for the fruit of the womb, let them get it. That is what I am asking for. I came with a drink, my mother. And I ask today that you bless everybody in this community. We ask that those that are looking for favor, you bless them. We ask that those that are looking for good health, you bless them. Those that are sick, we ask that you give them healing. As in them and I promise that I will continue to serve you all the days of my life. And just as I have said it, so shall it be. Neke, Norie, Nafo, Nankwo, Yagazie, the one in Miri, say